In today's video, I will make a full review of FastCashGPT, a website where you will get paid for taking surveys, installing apps, opening accounts, and much more. To sign up, simply click on the link in the description below, click on Create an Account, enter all your information, and hit Register. Before I log in to show you this survey website, I would just ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos at least once a week, showing you many different ways to make money online. After you register, you will receive an email like this to verify your email address. As you can see, I registered only 24 minutes ago. Once you click on the link, you should be automatically redirected to the dashboard. If not, then you will be redirected here. Then simply click on Dashboard on the top right corner to get to this page. I currently have $0 in cash, but earn 1,055 points. Those points have to be converted to cash before you can cash out, which I will do in a second. It says I've completed 2 surveys, however, I'm pretty sure I've only completed one only 9 minutes ago. Either way, that's how I got all my points. To convert your points to cash, just click on Point Converter and right here, enter the amount of points to convert. I will insert the full amount and convert. So I successfully converted 1,055 points into $1.05. Back to the dashboard, it shows I have $1.06 as 1,055 points was actually worth $1.055, which they must have rounded up to the highest number. Let's now request a payout. Before you can do that, you will need to verify your phone number. I am based in Ireland, so my country code is +353, and I can now enter my mobile phone number, omitting the first 0. A verification code is then sent to your phone. Once entered, just submit. Now you can see that there are 2 options to get paid, PayPal or Skrill. As my current balance is at $1.06, I can only withdraw via PayPal. The minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal is only $1. However, with Skrill, it's $10. So let's hit Request Payout. And here, I can finally enter my PayPal email address and submit. So now, I guess I will have to wait. I will pause the recording later to show you my payment proof towards the end of this video. Back to the dashboard, my payment is now pending. In your profile, you will find all the information you've entered when signing up. If your address changed, for example, you can change it from here. In the offer ones, that's where it gets interesting, as that's where you can start earning points. The first featured offer one is AdSense Media, where you can earn by playing games, completing surveys, signing up to websites, and much more. You can also select how to earn points by section. So at the top, you have a list of 8 different offer walls. Each offers interesting ways to earn, so make sure to check them all out. Here is one I've never seen before, called Bits Wall, so let's have a look. So these seem to be ads you can watch to earn some points. The earnings don't look very interesting though. That's less than half a point for watching each of these ads. They also have surveys, which look a bit more interesting, as CPX Research is here. If you don't know this one, it's one of the most rewarding survey providers out there. They also have a few more sections here, but I will let you discover them. GPA Grip is also an offer wall I've never seen before. It looks like it's in Irish. I am based in Ireland, so that's probably why. However, I'm surprised there's no English translation. Back to the offer walls, AdGate is a common offer wall available in many survey websites I mentioned on my YouTube channel, where you can earn by completing different tasks, including playing games. Here's one where you can earn 1,200 points. You need to be a first-time user, open and complete level 50, 100, etc. to earn rewards along the way. If you click on it, they explain exactly how much you can earn for each level threshold achieved. You will need to complete level 1000 with this game to earn 1,200 points. This looks like it would take a while, but if you like this game and want to earn some extra cash at the same time, then go ahead. You can earn 840 points by playing Super Chauffeur Service Tycoon, but you will need to reach stage 150. Again, I have no idea how long this will take, but most likely many hours. I don't really recommend these games to earn points if your main goal is to earn money, as these will be very time consuming. The best are usually surveys, as they are much faster to complete. The next section is surveys and videos. Here, you will have access to 5 different options, although the last one is not working. Hideout TV is a website where you can earn points by watching videos with ads, but I can't seem to link it to FastCashGPT. I checked on Hideout TV earlier, before I started recording this video, and found out that FastCashGPT is not on the list, as you can see. Anyway, the other 4 offer ones here should work fine, and they are quite similar to the ones you will find from the previous offer ones tab. In the Promote tab, you can invite your friends to this website and earn 10% commission of everything they earn. You can send them your personal referral link here, or if you have a website, you can use those links below. It will show this animation where people will be able to click on it to sign up to FastCashGPT. In the payout history, I can now see my PayPal payment is still pending. In credited offers, you will find a history of how you earn all your points. The same information is also available on the dashboard as I showed you earlier. And finally, if you have any issues with the website, go to support and create a new ticket. I will now pause the recording and get back to you once I get paid. I'm back as I received this email from PayPal. Brandon Weindorf sends me $1.40. He must be the owner of FastCashGPT as he left this note when he sent the payment. The reason he sent more than what I requested is most likely to cover some PayPal fees. I still got a bit less than expected, but only by a few cents. I requested $1.06 and received $1.02, so I can't complain. Overall, I'm glad I found out about this website as it's very easy to use, the payments are fast as I received mine only 20 minutes after I requested it, and the minimum withdrawal amount is extremely low at $1. Meaning if you need some extra cash fast, you can complete a few surveys and offers and receive it to your PayPal account on the same day and then spend it however you want. Let me know what app or website you would like me to test in the comment section, and see you very soon.